to him. Allahumma ameen. And for all of you, as we've taken this journey together through 9 ahadith, Sheikh Ali and myself thought it would be fitting for us to sort of share our final reflections, bring it all together. And I think about this concept of sacrifice. Think of the first hadith to the last hadith. And if you read the chapter in its entirety, the first hadith to the last hadith and how it all comes together. And this notion of sacrifice, it's called qurbani, right? Qurb, it brings you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You make sacrifices to come close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In essence, sacrifice is how you prove your love. Sacrifice is how you prove your love to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if nothing costs you anything, then nothing is proven with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the very first hadith that we covered was, whoever loves to meet Allah. And then the last hadith that we covered was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaking to someone who really hated to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and did not offer the simplest, easiest way for himself to be forgiven, which was simply to acknowledge his Creator. And so we bring it back. You love to meet Allah because you have sacrificed what you otherwise love for Allah. You love to meet Allah because you sacrificed what you otherwise love for Allah. What do I mean?